How to make nanotape bubbles flower. Cut off 6 pieces of nanotape, 1 inch each. Using permanent marker, color 5 of them the same color and 1 of them a different color. Now it's time to blow them up. Take a piece, insert your metal straw, fold the top and the side. Peel off the plastic cover and blow dry for 60 seconds. Now pinch the opening and blow gently and softly. This can be a little warm, be careful. Cut off the extra and repeat the step 5 more times to blow up the others. Next, take your center circle and attach the petals around it. And there you have it, your very own nanotape bubbles flower. What do you want to learn how to make next? Get your very own nanotape bubble squishy kit today at shoppsiloveit.com.